That's what is inside. A little bit of mucus. Just a little bit. Suction. Very strong suction, but loud noise.
Big guy.
Hey guys, today we are reviewing this Neilmed nasal, it's battery operated nasal aspirator. Funny enough, I have gotten this since before she was born. Yeah, I know, she is almost 1 year old. In 2 weeks time she'll be 1 year old. Anyway, let's open it up and see if it really works. So this says it's gentle, effective suction, soft medical grade silicone top, and battery operated. I think we got it from Walmart. I don't recall exactly. It's been up to a year. Nothing, so open it from there. That's what it looks like. Thank God they have extra batteries in them. I think it's about $20 something. I'm not sure. So it came with instructions. You can pause and read it or whenever you get it. Place the tip securely on the aspirator. Make sure tip is completely covered, over the opening suction cup, blah blah blah. Turn it on and you can separate them and blah blah blah. That's where the battery goes. So this thing is here. Pull it down. So it's closed, very closed. When you close it, you push it forward. So once again, slide it back and pull downwards. Some extra batteries. All this time I've been doing manual suctioning for her just because I haven't had the time. I hadn't had the time to make this video. And now we get to do it. And of course, your positive side up, negative side down. So you have to push. Besides different parts, this is actually the cover. And it only came with one tip. You can easily clean it here. Okay. I don't know what this. Okay, so this is light. The down part is light. Okay, so let's check it out. She doesn't have any boogers in her nose, but I'm gonna spray some saline because she just finished. She was having sinus congestion earlier, like a few days ago, and then we can try it on her and see how it goes. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe at this point. And thank you for watching. So I'm gonna try it with her sitting down, and if she doesn't cooperate, I'll get help. Yes. So she'll cooperate. Okay, looks like she's cooperating. So let's spray some saline in her nose. Sorry. I know. Spray some saline go ahead and suction it out. Good girl. No, your mouth. She doesn't have any vocals. So. She likes it. Yeah, how pretty she is. I have to put it all the way inside. Okay, someone cooperated. I have just a little bit of mucus in there. Good job, Eva. High five. High five. High five. High five. You're watching Cocomelon. You need to watch your channel, not Cocomelon. Okay. So, let's take it out and see how much mucus we have in there. It's a little bit. It's a very little bit because she doesn't have any. She doesn't have much. You can see it at the top. The light is too reflecting. It was just a little bit. And nothing in here. Because she's not very congested. She's not even congested at all. See, this is so much better than having to put that long one in the mouth, in her nose, and then one in my mouth, and then suction it. Good job. I see a little bit of. No. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Like this video, share, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Say bye. Say bye.